Hello everyone, welcome to our German learning series. Today we are going to learn the German alphabet. The German alphabet has 30 characters or 30 letters including 4 special characters. Let's dive in. The German alphabet consists of same 26 letters as English alphabet plus 4 additional characters A, U, U, S. Let's go through each letter and its pronunciation and along with some examples. First we have A, like we can say, for example, the apple, the Amisa, aunt. Now repeat after me. Ah, great. The next one is bay, pronounced like bay. An example would be the banana, which means banana. That's boat, which means boat. Say would it say. C is pronounced say. An example is the sede, that's camp. Day is pronounced day. An example is duck, das duck. For a while you can ignore der, die, das. These are the German genders. You will learn it in different video. Das Dach means roof. Die Dame means lady. A, for example, Essen means food, to eat. Der Elephant, if. The friend, das Fenster, which means window. The friend means friend. Gay, gay, pronounced like gay in gate. Example, the guitar, which means guitar. Der Garten, which means the garden. Ha, ha, repeat after me. Das Haus. Second example is der Hund, which means dog. E, the examples would be die Insel, means island. The second example is die Idee, means idea. Yacht, yacht. This one is a bit different. J in German sounds like Y in English. Yacht. Example, die Jacke oder der Junge. Die Jacke means jacket. Der Junge means boy, kid. K. Der Koch means cook. Der König means king. L. The examples, die Lampe, der light. L. M. The examples would be der Mond means moon. Their mills, which means milk. N. Examples, die Nase, die Nacht. Die Nase means nose. Die Nacht, which means night. N. O. O. Die Orange. Oder das Obst means fruit. Now we have pay. Pay. Das Pferd. Oder das Pferd means horse. Der Post means post. Kuh. Kuh. Die Quadral, the wheel. The second example is die Quelle means spring. R. Das Radio. The radio. Der Regen means rain. S. S. Die Schöne means sun. Der See means lake. The next one is T. T. For example, der Tisch. Der Tag. Der Tisch means table. Der Tag means day. U. U. Die Uhr means clock. Die Uni means university. V. For example, der Vogel means bird. Der Vater, father. We. Weih, der Wein oder das Wasser. X, X. For example, das Xylophon. Y, Ypsilon, Ypsilon. Das Yoga, means yoga. Set. So you have to pronounce like in two parts together. S, set, set. For example, die Zahlen, zusammen, means together. Now we have here the special characters. This is A usually, but it has two dots. It called umlaut. So we will be saying with umlaut it's A. Without umlaut it's A. So you always have to keep in mind whenever you are seeing these two dots, it means it's umlaut there. If it's above A, then it will be A. Like der Ärger means angry. Das Mädchen means girl. U, U. Like you have to stretch a bit. U. Das Öl means oil. Schön means pretty. U. U sounds like for example, die Übung. Müde. Übung means exercise. Müde means tired. The last one is we usually pronounce it with there are two ways of saying it. Most of the time you will be finding the words with S, like double S, and apart from that there are situation when you will get the words with asset as well. So generally it's pronounced like S. There Fuß means leg. Die Straße means street. Awesome. You did great. We have now learned all 30 letters of German alphabet, including those special characters. Practice saying these letters all loud and try using them in simple words. And don't worry if you make mistakes. That's how we learn. I will see you in next lesson where we will start using these letters in simple German words and in sentences. Till then, tschüss, bye. Thank you for watching.